Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KSR English Made Easy. This channel is for those who want to develop their English language skills. If you like the videos, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Happy learning. Now in this video lesson we are going to learn about the different pronunciations of the plural forms. Here is a small piece of passage that I am going to read for all of you. Please concentrate on the highlighted words. During the last summer holidays, I have a thought of seeing my grandparents. I went to the bus station and was confused on seeing many buses there. I had seen many fruit sellers, book shops and several stalls having many items, stalls having many items. So with this piece of passage here we have some words given which are in the plural forms. All these highlighted words are in the plural forms. When we produce the sounds of some plurals, all plurals are not giving the same sound. Some give the sound of s and some give the sound of z and some give the sound of is. Now we are going to explore all these things and the behind rules for this. Now we see the governing rule here. If the singular noun ends in voiceless consonant, these are all the voiceless consonants: p, t, k, ch, f, th, s, sh, h. Other than these three sounds, that word should not have these sounds. Then the plural suffix, we add plural suffixes s or es. Plural suffix s or es is pronounced as s. See this example, the CAP cap, this is p. Next we can say CAPS caps, s sound. CATS cats, s sound. COOKS cooks, s sound. Months, MONTHS, months. These are all sa sounds. When a voiceless consonant takes the plural form s or es, should be produced sa. Other than the case where there is no cha and no sa and no sh at the ending. Now we come with the rule 2 here. If the noun ends in a voiced consonant, that is b, d, g, j, m, n, ng, v, d, z, zh, l, r, y, wa. Other than these three sounds, that noun should not have these three sounds, that is j, z and zh, j, z and zh. All these three sounds should not be there. Then the suffix s or es that we add to the singular noun must be produced as z, not like s. It should be z, bulb, bulb, bulbs, bulbs, not bulbs, bulbs. Bulb, bulb, this is a voiced sound, and the s becomes is bulbs, z. Orvadi rod, d, voiced consonant, rods, not rods, rods. Bag, voiced consonant, bags, bags, not bags. dream, voiced consonant, dreams. not dreams. Next, N-U-N, nun. N-U-N-S, nuns. This is z. So in all these cases, when we have this voiced consonant at the end, then the plural s becomes z, but not s. Now we see the vowel endings. If the singular noun ends with a vowel, since all the vowels are voiced sounds, so a voiced sound, when a suffix is added, it also becomes a voiced one, as it is given here: boy, boy. The plural is sir. This is not boys, this is boys. Since this is a voiced sound, this is a voiced sound, then this voiceless sound also becomes voiced. Sir becomes z. Key, this is a vowel key. Keys, not keys. Keys. Toy, this is toys, not toys. This is toys. Next, cry, I, this is a voiced sound, not cries. Cries. Boys, keys, toys, and cries. So all the words which have the vowels at the ending and the plural suffixes, they also become z, but not s. Now we see some other plural forms which are which have vs as an ending. So the singulars fe or f, when vs is added, how should they be pronounced? life, life, livs, lives, z. Wolf, wolves. Calf, calves. Wife, wives. Knife, knives. Hoof, hooves. Leaf, leaves. Loaf, loaves. Loaves of bread. Shelf, shelves. This is how all the vs endings, they become z. Now rule 3. If the noun, singular noun, ends in these sounds, these 6 sounds, that is s, sh, ch, z, zh, j, then the suffix that is added to the singular noun s or es is pronounced is, but not like s or z. This is is. Now we will see this with the examples. pass, 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 s, passes. Rose, s sound at the end. Roses, is. bush, bush. The plural es becomes is, bushes. Garage, garages, garages. Church, churches. This is not passes, passes. Not roses, roses. This is not bushes, bushes. This is not garages, garages. This is not churches, churches. Let us have a consolidation of all the things that we have learned just now related to the sounds of the plurals. Here we have a word cap. The final sound is p. This is a voiceless sound. When a voiceless sound has the plural forms s or es, it becomes s, caps. When we have a voiced sound at the end, dog, this g is voiced, then we make a plural, dogs, just like caps, dogs. Caps, sir, sir becomes sir, but here sir becomes z, because this is a voiced sound. This voiced sound makes this voiceless sound as a voiced one. So that is why dogs. This is z. Next, the third one is church. So there are 6 sounds which make the final one as is. That is ch, s, sh, s, sh. Next one is ch. Next one is z. Next one is j. The final one is j. J. If all these sounds are at the end, here cha is there. Then the plural, what we have, the plural of church, CHU or CHES, it becomes is, churches. So there are 3 sounds, s, z and is. See all these things at a time. S, z, this is z. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.